What's up, guys? Welcome to another little video. Gonna do a little short trip today. I'm at a little farm dam that I've come to quite a while back, but it's quite sad. It's so low. The water used to be somewhere up here, and it's all the way down there. I mean, the other side of the dam, it's just ground. I've never seen it like this. I've only been here, I think, twice, and they caught a few small ones, but I have seen some big ones swim around. Now there's just tons of grass, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna find anything here, but I'm here, so I'm gonna give it a try. So yeah, let's check it out. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope we can get something out of this. Let me move you over to the GoPro. Sweet. As you guys can see, probably, I'm not sure what you can see, but because the water levels are low, there's just a thick layer of grass, and there's a couple of patches. As I walked in here, I saw a fish, probably about a 1.5, just swimming here in the shallow. But obviously he's seen me, so fish that will see you are not going to take. So I've got a little Texas rig G40, I think it is, with the chartreuse tail, June bug with the chartreuse tail from Itties Secret Baits. And then on the other rod I've got my Itties Secret Junior Frog, which I think I'm gonna try and wind through all this grass and see if anything will hit. I'll tell you right now, fishing's not gonna be easy, as all this grass is really covering the shallows where I think the fish would be. It's crazy. Really crazy. Oh my word! Did you guys see that? Look at that! Oh my word! That was amazing! Look! Oh my word! I saw that thing come out of the deep blue. Let's go and release it down there safely. Oh my set, that was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, that was cool. I don't know if you guys could even see it from up there, but what an awesome fish. Right, so I picked up this one. I'm sure you guys saw it on the video. Woo! That was cool. Probably like 1.13. Oh, that was so cool. Woo! That was fun. That was amazing, actually. Well, we'll come back to that. Damn, that was pretty cool. See if we can find any other pockets amongst all this grass. Not as big. He stole my frog. Small one, but it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Other way, boy. Oh, there we go. Yo, that's a good one. Hey, woo! Another top water. Another fishy. Another fish on the froggy frog. Phew, that was nice. Oh, okay, that was interesting. This dam is very low. I did see a couple of fish in on nests, big ones, quite a distance away, so casting past them and trying to get it in. I hooked one, I hooked two, lost one, it snapped off. What was a better fish? I think it could have been the biggest fish of the day, but not huge. The big ones, they weren't interested in anything. But it was a lot of fun. Caught 4 fish, lost 2. Yeah, it is what it is. But the dam is very low, scary low. So if we don't get rain, this dam's gonna get dry, and all these big fish are gonna die. So that's not cool. But anyways, I hope that was entertaining enough. So if you want to get any of those Itties secrets baits, the junior frogs, go check out Timols, Fishing, Tackle and Nigel. I'll give you a good price and they'll sort you out with some frogs. Also, if you're interested in some CKR merch from me, I've got the hats, the hoodie, t-shirts. They're pretty cool merch, very good quality, high-end quality. So yeah, let me know, hit me up, hit that thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And don't forget, catch, kiss and release. Let them go.